1, and then you write 2. You can highlight these two number and then you can drag this. So you can wait and wait to build 100,000 cell, so it take more time. So I will show you a nice trick. So go to home page and cell A1, you can write 1. So you can go to editing and click fill and click series. Here we can click column, and step L you can write 1 up to 100,000 value. So then you can click OK. So you can see that it is 1 up to 100,000 numbers.